Welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys color inversion mode setting guys, how to on and guys how can we use in our Tecno mobile. In this video fans I am going to show you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to on your color inversion mode, and guys how can you use in this video fans I will show you. So first of all guys open your phone setting and guys scroll it to on your color inversion, then guys click on special function setting guys, again scroll accessibility setting, friends tap here and guys again scroll it. Friends you can see your color inversion, friends tap here to on, so use color inversion. After on guys you can see your background will dark and guys your phone screen color will change, and guys you can see guys your photos and YouTube guys you can see this different games, and guys you can see this different setting guys. First of all guys let me on YouTube. Here is my YouTube. So I will turn on guys my YouTube, and guys you can see guys your this goes setting like that guys. You can use your color inversion setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to on color inversion and guys how to use it in Tecno mobile. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye friends.